Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you what is trending in US right now. So the trending is when does iOS 26 come out? So I'm just to explore the iOS system, latest iOS system that iPhone is going to use. So let's see. So it is going to be announced on September 15, 2025. So let's see on the website, official website of Apple, what's going. So iOS 26, according to different time, is going. It's going to be announced on different time of different regions. Let's see. So I have seen some that different time here. You can see Eastern time 1 p.m. Central. These are this time that iPhone is going to be announced today. And let's suppose let's see the new look in iPhone 26. And I'm just going to review this website. This website is completely based on iPhone latest feature, latest design, and etc. So let's review what's actually here. So first of all, first of all you can see the new design. This is with design with liquid glass, beautiful, and let's suppose delightful and instantly familiar. So you can see, let's suppose run this, and you can see different type of design are here, and you can see personal chat with the new backgrounds and answer questions. So these things were already present in the iPhone 17, iPhone 16, but there are few changes that make iPhone even more better. So just let's look at the other things. A whole new element of delight. So these features are little bit new that may be customized at different level. I can understand maybe these are the new feature. The new design with liquid glass is beautiful, delightful, and instantly familiar. It gives you a more consistent experience across your apps and device, making everything you do uh, feel fluid, right? So this one looks more ASMR type, right? Like you can see we feel more relaxed with these features. So as I know, you will feel better after using these features. And now let's suppose fresh design with optical qualities of glass and a sense of quality. Liquid glass brings an expensive new design to your lock screens, home screen, control center. These are the new feature, as maybe they are customized and upgraded version, you can say. But what is main thing? What is main thing? That's developer for iOS. So the developer of iOS has been very professional. You can see here the create great games and apps for the world's most advanced mobile. So you can see how much they will be better at programming. You can see, and the Apple Intelligence effortlessly helpful at every day. Apple Intelligence is integrated into more plus to help you communicate across language, create more personal. Now this one feature is one of my best. I love this feature. uh, Using airports, you can speak in any language, but automatically you'll listen in your native language, and this feature is my favorite feature. And the live translation, this is also similar type feature but little bit different, and do more with visual intelligence. Yeah, these are maybe AI related features that are integrated into iPhone. And communication for communication. And yes, there are low spam. You can see spam and give you control over who appears in your conversation and message, and you feel so main thing is about iPhone is security, and that is totally manageable in this iPhone. So you will see full security in iPhone 17. And what the main things step into your comfort zone on the spot. So these were the main things that are present in iOS. Their latest version 26, which is used in iPhone 17. So accessibility, family, audio recording, these are features that upgraded, and I hope you will like these features. iOS 26 is compatible with these devices. So these devices are very compatible with iOS 7 26, and I hope you love these features and you love these iOS system 26. So if you want to know more about them, you can go and explore what's real thing about the, how they developed. And this is all about from this video, and I'm going to end this video here. I just reviewed the website, and you can also do the same, but I just overview of what's new in iPhones iOS 26. So this is going to be announced today at different time level, and what's new, you can see liquid glass design, Apple intelligence, enhanced call, and I'm just going to conclude here. That's liquid glass design and Apple intelligence, enhanced call and massive filtering, adaptive power mode. These are the things that are very new in software update of iOS 26. So download and install these feature in your iOS, your iPhone, and that's it from this video.